to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to import a test asset. To do so, click the Add button next to Tests under the Library section of the main menu, which will take you to a drag and drop window. One place to find test assets is the concert page on GitHub. So hover over the little guy in the upper right and select Support from the drop-down menu, and click the concert repository link under the Getting Started section of the support page. Find the test asset you would like to use and download it. To import that test asset, make your way back to Arcus. Now drag and drop that zip file, and in a few minutes the test asset will be ready to use in your deployments. Do keep in mind that some test assets will require you to provide your own license, and if you don't see that Add button, you will need to talk to your project manager about getting the necessary permissions. If you have any questions, or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.